Good morning, everyone. Today I want to update you on my appeal case with Court of Appeals of Virginia. And before I even explain what happened, I want to state that Court of Appeals of Virginia is not corrupted to the bone, okay? The reason why is because, again, in my previous video, I explained that Circuit Court omitted the original hearing notice, and without that hearing notice, you cannot do much of anything because it's invalid hearing. It's invalid appeal as well. And so, yesterday I've got email from Court of Appeals, and they deny my motion to supplement. That was the file that's missing, and I said, why can't we use this as index? But they approved my motion for time extension fairly. They've given me 30 days from yesterday, and they also approved my writ for certiorari, where the Court of Appeals requested from the Circuit Court to provide them certified copy of original hearing notice. I'm thinking from the other side usually, and thinking, what if Circuit Court just denies and says we never sent that, we never had the original hearing notice, because technically that was sent by opposing counsel via USPS, and I don't have a stamp to prove that court received it, right? So it doesn't have a stamp. And I thought, what if Circuit Court denies, and says we don't have this document? Well, if they do just that, then guess what? Then we went to that hearing without hearing notice to begin with, okay? So technically, the Circuit Court cannot do that. They just have to send the original hearing notice. So with this part, we are settled. I'm waiting for the Circuit Court to transfer that original hearing notice, and the appeal is going to be a very different story. And I can tell you this right now, because I'm calling judge being biased, and the Court of Appeals did not like it on my other case too either. So it is what it is. But in my second case, when the judge from the bench engaged in legal argument with one of the litigants, what else can this be, right? Because the opposing counsel didn't even have to go into arguments with me. The judge did for her, okay? So I'll talk to you soon with updates.